Alright guys, I have a quick project here. I got this old metal light fixture for the ceiling. It used to have some fluorescent tubes in there. I gutted it because I was going to just take it for scrap metal. What I'm going to do is basically use this to create some type of roofing over my goat food to keep the rain out of it. The problem with this kind of feed is once it gets wet, it turns to mush, so I only give them a little bit at a time. I pre-cut some pieces of wood here to kind of build a frame. It's going to sit about that high off the ground, and we're going to put it together. I made these little pieces right here. It's going to get screwed in right here on here and then into the leg again. Hopefully that adds more stability. I don't know if I made it too tall or just right because the goats have horns. I'm going to go ahead and put some support pieces on the legs, and I'm going to use those to support the feeding bucket. I ended up adding another piece of wood to the front of this to keep the bucket from falling out. Drilling some holes in a couple of the legs so that I could stake it to the ground to keep it from blowing over or having the goats knock it over. Here is the final project, and you have two happy goats eating their food. Hopefully this keeps the rain from getting to it and turning it to mush. Thanks for watching.